Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video that I find very interesting, answering a question that you have left me. What happens if when changing the turbo solenoid valve or solenoid, the upside down vacuum tubes? In old vehicles, I have seen this on some occasions. It may happen that you notice a lack of power to the engine, but that no warning appears on the dashboard. In more modern vehicles, for example this what you have here, this is a 2.0 TDI and modern. To this engine, the owner changed the solenoid valve and put the vacuum tubes upside down and the engine fault light came on the dashboard, and then it goes into emergency mode, and what the ECU does, the vehicle's computer, is to disconnect the turbo. The fault that came out when putting it into the machine was P2263. Performance of the turbo system of a turbo supercharger. Here, the owner got it, he had changed himself and brought it to us when he left. The engine failure occurred. What the owner thought is that the solenoid valve that he had put on it, since it was not original, caused problems. Let's see. It did not cause any problems. Here is what we did. That solenoid valve that you see there, that's it well installed. It is the one that the owner had installed. The only thing we did was change the hoses, and the engine was already working perfectly. These solenoid valves usually have some marks. I have videos on how to install them correctly, okay? Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful, do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.